Excavation is destruction. The project explores the possibility of reclaiming quarry lands, finding value in the remnants of mining industries. We cut mountains and reshape them into cities. As mountains diminishes, cities grow larger. The word excavation here is an action glossed with the objective of destroying nature to become the creator of the built environment. We emphasize urban progression and development, but what meaning does the built environment bring if it destroys one place to build another? Diving deep into the question, one can argue that nature will heal itself, such as the Mirror Lake of Ipoh, which was once a quarry lake formed from tin mining. Today, the so-called natural beauty, which was a man-made disaster, is one of the many photogenic sites of the mountain ranges known as Gunung Rapat. Often, we forget that these man-made scars are left abandoned and hidden away, unseen and unknown to the public. And it took nature decades to reclaim it back. So that inspired the challenge. Can architecture act as a catalyst for nature to reclaim and recover? The idea of converting an abandoned quarry site into an experiential platform. By remapping the man-made scars into abstract pavilions, the solution deals with turning the abandoned into an educational platform. A walk through an excavated mountain, left abandoned from limestone quarrying. It frames the many remnants of mining machineries upon a backdrop of rock-cut mountain surfaces. We adopted this idea of designing a heritage interactive center, which raises awareness of deforestation while reminiscing the past. Horizontal bedding and vertical planes are seen as growing out of the site, with a material palette that blends into the overall condition. Limestone look with rustic steel. Micromanaging the different site conditions, the design will integrate the journey with the dramatic landscape, allowing a careful regrowth of greenery in different scenarios. The main walkway connects the rocky entrance of Gunung Rapat to Mirror Lake. Excavating into the slope sits an open museum. Within sleeps the stories of the forgotten tin mining workers. Sun-soaked path brings visitors to a plaza with a nature exhibition built to rest, pausing and enjoying the cooling shades by Mother Nature. Up ahead are bridges and flyovers, stretching through the scarred landscape, minimizing impacts on the greeneries. Visitors are led to a dredge half sank into the ground beside a marketplace. Towards the entrance of Mirror Lake sits a pavilion on the rock-cut wall. One can dine in while viewing the vast landscape. The beauty of it is to frame the gradual transformation of nature's reclamation, with up close of the greenery recovering from the abandonment. The journey through the dramatic landscape interweaves with the remnants, highlighting the importance of how a city was built and questioning the need of excavating a mountain at the expense of building a city.